Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC. I'm in the mountain with the Unimog CC01 kit I built, but there's a twist to this and I'm going to show you right now. It's not a Unimog. I bought the paint and everything to paint it, the Unimog, and I was waiting for the paint, and I put this bug body I had on it and it fit perfect, so I was like, man, oh man. So I made it into a bug. I think it looks pretty damn good. Check it out. I did some modifications to it. I'll show you really quick. Let me take the body off here. Alright, I put a 55 turn with a 17 tooth pinion because I put an 80 turn at first. It was so slow, guys, with the lower gear ratio you put in. This thing's really slow. It's geared down good. So that's what I did. And a 20 kilogram servo Hobby Wing 1060 ESC. The battery's supposed to go in the back here, but I carved off a little bit over here and I put it in with Velcro straps here. It's much better balance. I'll show you that probably in a future video. I got the RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder 3 steel wheels with the tires on there. They're nice and everything's ready to go. So I'm gonna take it in the mountain here. When we get to a nice spot, I'll do a little filming for you guys and you can see how it runs. I never ran it. Try this side here. push this on. Well guys, there she is. Actually worked pretty good for the small tires. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh yeah, she's scuffed up pretty good. That centerpiece here. Anyhow, that's my CC02 custom Beetle. Worked like a charm, as you've seen. It's pretty good on this gnarly stuff. Probably if you put a little hair bigger tires, it'd really work good, but I got a lot of rigs at bigger tires, so I'm gonna leave this the way it is. If you like the video, guys, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you're new watching, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you like the video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this bug. See you later, guys. Shen RC out.